हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू क्यूब क्रिएशंस। होप यू ऑल आर गुड नाउ। सो आप सबने अगर मेरी प्रीवियस वीडियोस देखी हैं तो उसमें मैंने मदर्स डे स्पेशल पे एक सिंगल रोज बुके बनाया था, व्हिच इज दिस। अगर इस वीडियो को दोबारा देखना चाहते हैं तो इसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। नाउ समथिंग इज कमिंग, टेल मी व्हाट इज इट। Father's Day is coming, which is on 21st June, and this video is all about Father's Day special. So, बिना देर किए, let's move on to the video. Now take white A4 sheet and fold it like this, as shown in the video. So now paste the white sheet on blue A4 sheet. We are here pasting only the back side because on the front cover firstly we have to make designs, then we are pasting it. Now cutting the extra A4 sheet. You can do this after completing the card also, it depends on you. Now here I am making a design for the pocket and for the collar also. Here I am cutting the pocket with the help of a craft cutter, or you can use any other cutter or blade. Now fold the paper as shown in the video and paste it with the help of a glue. Here I put the pen and the under the paper for the curved surface. Now paste the front side of the cover with the help of a glue, but make sure that do not apply glue near the pockets. Now here I am using a red bow and its link you got in the description. Now almost our card is completed. Here I'm adding some buttons for the final look. Yay, it's completed now. Hello again. Hope you like my video and like this gentleman card cover. Now, in my previous video, I have told about your YouTube channel Mr.Strange. Here you find strolls and roasting. If you still not visited, so please visit it at once. Link is my description box. Now, girls, I have one more YouTube channel for you if you searching for makeup tutorials and DIY therapies. So here's the channel, Makeup Beauty and DIY Therapies. Please visit it at once and give a love and support. And thanks for watching. See you soon in our next video. Bye bye.